So what are the prerequisites for this course? Well, number one, you need to know JavaScript, because this is a JavaScript course. We'll be using JavaScript in this tutorial. But also you need to know what MetaMask is. So if you're new to blockchain development, watch this video, MetaMask for Developers. And you'll find this playlist, Web3 Programming Prerequisites, linked in the description. Then it's also useful to know the blockchain development stack. How do blockchain apps work from the most top level, which is the user interface, down to the bottom level, which is the blockchain data, how it is stored, and the different layers in between. So you can watch this as well. But other than that, there are no other prerequisites. Of course, a big prerequisite is that you're interested in crypto. And hopefully before watching this course, you all are already a bit in crypto. You know what tokens are, NFTs are, how you send transactions and all of that, although the MetaMask video that I just showed you will also teach you. And you need to be genuinely excited about this space, because as you'll see, there is a lot of lingo here. For example, NFT, non-fungible token, or when you look at, for example, the token itself, what is token, what is ERC20, ERC71. So ERC20, for example, that's the technical standard for a token. ERC71 is the technical standard for an NFT. So these things, they may come up during the course. And for all of you who are in crypto, of course, it's not an issue because you probably know it already. But if you're doing this course and you have some questions or some lingo that you don't understand, please post here, Moralis course help thread. Because if you don't know, we're here to help. And it's okay, you can ask anything you want. We're gonna help you. So guys, hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. Let's get started with practicalities.